Vlogmas day 3, and I am finally migraine free. I got a good sleep last night, but I did not want to wake up. So we had a little bit of a lazy morning, Cupcake and I, morning Cupcake. And I took him out for his normal walk. And he really likes walking the neighborhood, the new neighborhood, because we moved to Florida to be closer to my parents. And he has like just full rent, like a larger yard. I mean, he's loving it. So walking with him and seeing him smell everything is just so cute to me. And get used to his new surroundings. Like, he runs the house. So we're just doing our normal thing, normal walk. What is he smelling? And then, of course, per usual, I'm doing the Believe Bigger 100 Days devotional. And so we're on day 73. And so I was just listening to the presenter. And after my shower, I used this new L'Occitane almond oil that I got a recommendation about. So I like it so far. And yesterday I showed you guys the shipment that I got. So I started it today and it tastes pretty good. So we'll see. I'm going to give it like 30 days to see if I see an improvement in my skin and all of that. You guys know I have acne. So I'm trying to heal that from the inside out and also the outside in and just get that totally together. So tastes pretty good. Day 1 of the Skin by Modir. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes. I'll keep you guys posted. It's a pretty day outside, so maybe Cupcake and I will go outside for a little bit later today. Day 3, and I am getting ready for a work meeting really fast. And then I need to organize my desk situation so I could start the December daily process. And I may do a plan with me video as a part of Vlogmas this week. So we'll see. Catch you guys in a little bit. Bye. Which way am I supposed to be looking at the camera? So weird. We never really made it outside. Obviously, we are just laying in the bed, wrapping up the night. So I will see you guys tomorrow, where we'll be unboxing some Villa Beautiful goodies.